How to activate dark mode on Skype for Mac. If you want to activate dark mode on Skype for MacBook, click on the three dots menu near your name. Here select Settings, first option from the menu. Now, on the left, click on Appearance. Here, you can easily enable dark mode on Skype by clicking Dark on the Modes option. Also, you can choose the primary color for the Skype app. You can choose what color defines you better. You also have high contrast dark theme here if you like this, but I mostly like the default dark mode. If you go a bit down, you will have the option Enable Compact List Mode. This will make the list of people a bit smaller and you will see more people on the Skype list. Please note this option will take out the photo on the main list, so this will make a bit harder to understand who is who. If you set up this option, I will suggest activating also Show User and Conversation icon to show the icon picture of that person. You have now activated dark mode on Skype for MacBook. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.